Hello legends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and the current dip, ETH, the importance of identifying levels, a little bit of news and short-term holder cost basis. But we will start with a tweet from myself. The momentum on Bitcoin is a thing of beauty. Keep an eye on 92s for a bounce. And that is exactly what occurred. For those that have been watching my videos for a while now, you're probably beginning to understand how I like to view the market and identify areas that price often likes to gravitate towards on the upside and towards on the downside as well. The reason I like these areas, or the reason they catch my attention, is because when we have a level of resistance like this and we get an explosive move higher, when these areas get left naked, often price likes to come to find a bit of support before then moving higher. You can see it happened here. Granted, this region wasn't naked. We had a wick to the downside here that tagged it, but you can see it was a prominent level of resistance. We came back, it was a similar story again. Everyone was saying, oh, that's it now, that's it, it's finished. What happened? Bit of consolidation, and price then went to make a new high. So it really is just part of the market. Anytime these areas get left untested, the market likes to come and test them. Should we break lower than that? Well, that remains to be seen. But if we do, I'd be looking to come and find support where we saw it again. Points to note, we've got this ascending trend line as well. But after quite an aggressive move, this went from pretty much bang on the nose at 92k, didn't it? And it pushed straight back up to 93k. So a lot of people were sat on the bid there. When you understand these levels, they're very powerful. If you're into your perps or anything like that, not that I advocate for that, because most people end up doing their arse, but if you are, they make for very good short-term opportunities. Maybe I'll do more on that one day, but just understand why price moves how it does, and that's really what I wanted to touch on ETH as well, because we've seen it sell off from here. It was a previous swing high. Granted, we didn't get right up to the tippy top of it, but this area is a very well respected area, and you can see that here and here and here as well at this swing low. Last low pre-break here and that swing low. So granted, I always say price doesn't just shoot straight through these levels and away we go. The market must find structure. And what else have we got? An impulse move up from previous resistance here. Points to note, we've got the last true high pre-break here at 3,169 and the last high pre-break just beneath that at 3,143. So and that coincidentally ties in quite nicely with this trend line. So do we see a little bit more of a dip on ETH before a move higher? I don't know. Maybe it's found enough in the tank to continue momentum higher. It looks like it at the moment, but should we come down to this level, I would be unconcerned as yet. And I mean, just when you look at the strength it's shown since its recent, well, not recent now, it was in November, wasn't it? But its largest low, if that even makes sense, at 2600, you can see the point it bounced from again, last high pre-break. So really start getting to know and understand these levels. So say we get a move to the upside, which I am anticipating. The next area above market that catches my attention is this support over here. You can see where price reacted beautifully off of it if you were looking for short-term shorts. Just just really start looking for areas above and below market where price might gravitate towards or away from, and that should help ease any tensions going forward. But while we're on the subject of dips and all the rest of it, and CT panicking, shout out Crypto Crib here. 12.5 trillion. Vanguard Group officially finalises its first Bitcoin purchase worth $505 million. These institutions do not mess about. They don't deploy over $500 million worth of capital into something without rhyme or reason. And I think this is a very bullish piece of news. Short-term holder, cost basis change. We'll wrap this up here. Get me over there so you can see it in all its glory. This has historically, throughout this cycle, been a very good point of reference where price has then gone to go and make new highs. You can see where we've rejected slightly, pretty much bang on the nose on the short-term holder cost basis. But we've seen that before, both here, and here as well. So I put in this, may the bull gods let history repeat. If we can get back above there, that would be a very bullish sign. I will keep you updated with that. Hope you got something out of this video. If you've got any questions, leave a comment. And in the meantime, trade safe, keep the faith, stay bullish. Cheers.